Hello everyone, welcome to my first lecture on chemical bonding. In this lecture, I will be teaching you what chemical bonding is and I'll be teaching you what is an ionic bond. So, in order to understand chemical bonding, you need to understand valency. So what is valency? Valency is the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom. So if an atom has 8 electrons, it is stable. So it doesn't need to combine with another atom in order to acquire the stable electronic configuration. However, if an atom which has 7 electrons, 6, 5, 4, 3, then it is unstable. So in order to acquire the stable electronic configuration, it needs to share or donate or accept a pair of electrons. So unstable. So uh, in order to acquire the stable electronic configuration, this may be done by either sharing the pair of electrons or by complete transference of electrons. That is, it may completely gain the electrons from the other atom, or it may share with them, or completely lose them. So, what is chemical bond defined as? Chemical bond, it is defined as the force acting between two or more atoms to hold them as a stable molecule. Now, the first example of chemical bond we'll be taking is ionic bond. So what is the ionic bond? In ionic bond, it is formed by the complete transference of electrons. I mean, this is not the example in which you share electrons. It is formed by the complete transference of electrons. And now I won't be writing much, but you should pay attention to the words I'm speaking. Ionic bonds, the one which loses the electron becomes a positive ion or cation. So lose electron, positive ion, cation. Gain electron, negative ion, anion. So, what are the factors which affect the formation of an ionic bond? The number one factor is it should have a low ionization potential. So, what does low ionization potential mean? Low ionization potential means that the atom is weak. Number one, low ionization potential. When the atom is weak, it will have a greater tendency to pull out an electron from the outermost orbit. So, the metal should be should have a low ionization potential, whereas on the other hand, the non-metal should have high electron affinity. What does high electron affinity mean? High electron affinity means it has a greater tendency to accept an electron. Number three, metal should be large in size. Large. Um, the one which is a cation, ionic bonds are formed generally between metals and non-metals. So the one which is a cation, it is a metal, which is electropositive and non-metal. So back to the points which are favoring the formation of an ionic bond. Metal should be large in size, non-metal should be smaller in size. And electronegativity difference between the combining atoms should be at least 1.9. At least. It can be greater than 1.9. So now after we achieve the ionic bond in two molecules, what are the characteristics of an ionic bond? Now, characteristics. As the name suggests, they are ionic and not molecular. They have high melting and boiling points, high MP melting point and boiling point. They are insulators in solid form, but conduct in molten as well as solution form. Number 4. Soluble in polar solvents. Number 5. They are hard and brittle. Number 6. Cannot exhibit isomerism. Number 7. Binding energy is high. So when the binding energy is high, that means that it is difficult to break the ionic bond. And number 8, as the name is ionic bond, they undergo ionic reactions very fast. So that is all for an ionic bond. In my next video, I'll be taking the covalent bond. So if you like this lecture, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And for any queries, you can mention it in the comments below. Thank you.